had been thinking about remodeling my kitchen for quite some time, and when I finally decided to do it, I had looked online and tried to find a local company that was reputable. I was driving through my neighborhood and I saw a sign for Regency and saw kitchen counters and cabinetry from the store window. So I stopped and went inside and was greeted by very helpful people, and just went from there. My entire experience in working with Regency was great from the beginning. In the selection period, it was sometimes overwhelming to start from scratch and pick everything for my kitchen, but Ruth was great in helping me put everything together and to make all the selections from the countertops and the backsplash and the flooring and the hardware. She helped me every step along the way so that we made sure that everything when complete was exactly like I had imagined and wanted. And during the construction process, all of from the plumbers, the electricians, the painting, the carpenters, everything was great. Everyone worked well together, and the whole kitchen came together just like I wanted. Yes, one of the best parts of the process was that Norm kept me informed every step of the way. Every week, and sometimes more than once a week, he would call me or text me and let me know who was scheduled to come in the next day, or what parts of the project would happen the following week. And when things weren't quite on schedule because things maybe didn't go the way they were expected, he made sure I knew about it and was aware of what was going on in the whole process, because I worked during the process and I had to go to work every day. So I would come home sometimes and wonder, oh, what did they accomplish today? And Norm kept me informed and let me know everything I needed to know along the way. I would highly recommend Regency for a kitchen remodeling project, or any remodeling project for that matter. The communication was great, the service was great, the actual craftsmanship and work product was great. The communication with the office and the selection process was great. I couldn't be happier.